Okay. Uh, some final thoughts. Um, the swarm's installed. They seem to be settling in. Um, in a couple of days, I'm going to go in and check. I mean, there's frames that need to be drawn out, and I want to see if they get started on it because usually swarms are really notorious for being able to draw out frames pretty quick. Because I mean, that's the nature of a swarm. When they get someplace, they need to get frames. They need to get comb drawn out as fast as possible so that the queen can get the laying and they can be productive because those bees do have a limited lifespan. If I need to feed them, this is a feeder, internal feeder that I got from Dr. Leo Horizontal Hives, and this is designed specifically for the laying hive. And so I got a couple of these, and so if it looks like I can help them out by providing them some one-to-one sugar syrup, I will. In terms of my swarm traps, now I'm pleased with at least that one. And so, just so you know, what I had in there, what came out, was a swarm lure, and I'll show it to you. This is a slow release tube here, and what you do with it, what I do with it, is I just put lemongrass. I just put lemongrass oil in it and put the cap on, and this is actually it at near the entrance, and I have a little holder for it, and I put it right near the entrance so when they come in, they could actually smell it. And then I have swarm lure, which I put on these what do you call these things? Swabs, Q-tips. And so this is Swarm Commander. I throw into the back of the hive. You already saw the old cone. That I mean, and there's dirt in the bottom of the box, detritus, whatever you want to call it. And apparently, theoretically, I guess they like going in something that looks like it's been previously lived in. And so they gravitated towards that, but that wasn't, so that you know, it was sitting on an old stump. I think I told you yesterday, and that stump is not over 6 feet high. And so it just goes to show you that if the bees like it, they will go towards it, you know. And so, with that being said, the whole idea now is to monitor them, see how they do. I'm going to check on the other swarm traps later. But to be honest with you, we're heading into June in a few days. And so, this part of swarm season will probably be coming to a close and stuff. But at least, and you guys comment. You saw the size of that swarm. That was a lot. I mean, me and Miriam, we were laughing because we were going, well, geez, did he lose the whole hive? Whoever lost this swarm, or if it's
Oh,
feral,
jeez.
what was the reason why they, such a large number? Now, if I go in and when I finally do my inspection next week, I'll go in and I'll try to take a look. Maybe I'll find a second queen. I don't know. We'll see. But that's my thoughts on catching this swarm. And just so you know, I'm pretty satisfied with that. I'm not trying to grow big. Um, so I'm not looking to get a lot of swarms. That's why I usually do swarm prevention. We're local. We're local. We sell our honey local. Um, we provide a service to our community. Every now and then we do craft fairs, but again, that's within the surrounding towns here. So we still consider that to be local because what grows here grows in the town next door, and the town next to that one, and the town next to that one. So, when you start thinking about local, I think it's more like what's growing in your geographic region. And so, with that, um, I think those are some ideas that I just shared with you on how I bait my hive. And I'm going to close it with that. Spider and bees. I ride a Can-Am Spider. I also post YouTube videos on that. Certified, Cornell University Certified Master Beekeeper. Uh, guess what? I'm going to say it like this, Miriam. Pursue happiness, lean into joy. See ya.